Hello, I'm Stuart. This is Upcycle TV. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of designing a logo for an upcycle/vintage furniture company. I'm not going to show you how to use Photoshop. I'm not going to show you how to actually design the logo, but what I am going to do is show you the thought process in relation to the logo and where it sits with the business and what is really important. This logo is real. I've designed it for a lovely lady called Carol and her upcycle business. The first point you need to know is what you want the logo to say. Obviously the company name, colours, the look and the feel. Carol wanted a vintage feel and her business name was Shabby Chic and Quirky Upcycling. My first thought within seconds of hearing that was too long. What we want to do with the branding is keep it punchy. I explained this to Carol and she understood, and I actually really like the chic and quirky bit in the middle. It sounds like a brand, it sounds like a shop name, and the thing is we can easily put the other important words into the logo as well, but as a tagline. So I went with chic and quirky, the shabby upcyclers. That ticks all the boxes, and I also added unique furniture at the bottom. Unique is a key word. I'm not keen on shabby. I think people outside the upcycle circles hear that word as it is in its own right, shabby. I think many in the trade think of it as a no word because of that. But it stays here, and that wasn't discussed with Carol. I don't want to impose too much change, and there are many that still refer to shabby chic anyway, so it's not the wrong way to go. What is really important is the keywords like vintage, retro, painted, art, artists, and most importantly, unique and bespoke. These are underused words in our industry, but they are what we are all about. Upcycled is art. It is unique and it is certainly bespoke and custom made. I believe it's absolutely critical to get this across to your potential customers. You won't lose any points by looking and sounding professional and exclusive. It will help conversions and it will help you get those lucrative commission jobs. Branding and marketing are vital if you want to build a properly successful upcycle business. It's no different to any other business out there. Get good at marketing. Let's get back to the design. I'm working off the last logo I did, so I have a good template to work from, and I'm just playing around with some ideas here. At this moment, I was thinking about the background colours and was just testing a few ideas. Fonts are absolutely critical. They will make or break your logo. This particular logo had a font called Mirosa, which it took a while to find, but I think it fitted with it really well. I like the idea of the dashes under the brand name, but it just wasn't quite working. The concept, I was happy with the concept, but it needed a bit more work. Well, I came back to that. I think the brand still needed a bit more emphasis, so I put that in a box and stretched it so it spills out over the circle. I think that's right, but it still needed something else, which we'll come back to. Before we get to that though, I thought maybe a royal style flag or banner under the branding, but I tried about 20 different ways of doing it and nothing looked right, so perhaps a box might work better. How about a rose in the background, maybe faded out? No, that didn't really look right either. Next was a pattern of rectangles at the bottom, but again, that didn't work. I didn't like it at all. So I tried a mandala pattern on the background and worked that into the design. Once more, it just wasn't coming together, and I was beginning to feel a bit frustrated. Wondered whether I should take a break and come back to this tomorrow. But I didn't. I persevered. And luckily, I found this really nice floral design which fitted perfectly with the scheme. But I just needed to make some adjustments, starting with the colour palette. Then I thought, I don't really want another round logo. It's just going to be the same as the last one that I made. Maybe I could remove a part of the circle, maybe the bottom half. So let's try that. Basically then had created this kind of new shape, and it just started to come together from there, really, finally. I love it when you get to this stage because you're happy with the main design. Pretty much it's all falling into place, and it's just play. Just about plonking in different colours and just getting it to feel right. And I put this white background behind the floral design, and that just was like a little light bulb moment. That was a yes, that's the right thing to do. That was really good. I was really happy with that. We needed something to define the upcycle part of this logo. So I added a paintbrush and some brush marks. And then it was just about, I was just about playing and getting those finishing touches in place. But it was definitely coming together. I was happy with the end result, and Carol said she loved it, so that's good enough for me. I hope you found this video useful. Please like the video, and obviously if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments and I will reply. I'd really appreciate your feedback. I'm Stuart, and thanks for watching Upcycle TV. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you don't want to miss any of our content, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you get all the notifications. You can also follow us on Twitter @UpcycleTV. And we have a website where you can buy and sell furniture. It's completely free to use. upcycledirectory.co.uk.